Day 4, and unfortunately it's time for me to go home on day 4, but before I do, I am heading to the Blue Lagoon, so have a bit of steam, have a bit of hot, be lovely as well, being surrounded by the beautiful pools and enjoying that. But after the Blue Lagoon, I am then heading straight to the airport to fly home. So my trusty little Ellie Beaumont bag, 89. I have kept the same strap on, but it does have its own little leather strap there, but that has got my passport, my little wallet and my phone in as well, so really handy. I'm back full sleeved. So those that have been following, the Mark Caine coat, $5.99. I put the sleeves back in, so ready to go home. Has that lovely warmth, it's down, very lightweight, slightly dropped hem there at the back. My little hat, the Sabo hat, these are 37, the little pom-pom, just giving me that highlight of colour. And the pieces underneath, again thinking about maxing out the wardrobe. So the piece underneath, I've got the same jeans, the Brax jeans at 145 that I wore heading into the mountains and out for dinner. So I've got these are great again, lots and lots of stretch in there, so perfect for travelling. I've got my Pioneer boots on by Emu at 149, the sheepskin lined ones, so slightly more delicate in the shaping to the hiker boots that I had on earlier in my trip. The top pieces, both by Mark Caine, little sport collection, lovely lime green. It works both summer and winter lime green. This is just a little cotton polo neck, but as Mark Caine do, little detail, you can see that. Just that little vent, it helps it just sit really nice and flat around the neck, but just has that extra bit of warmth there as well. It's got the little cuff detailing, you can see again with that little vent. So, you know, just little detail that Mark Caine think about. This is 119. I've layered it, so I've gone the polo neck underneath the blouse, again to give me that warmth, to give me that little extra layering effect as well. So this is a lovely little kind of viscose blouse, beautiful print. I'm hoping you'll be able to pick that up on there. Almost looks like an icy print there. This one is 189, but this actually will take me right through the season. I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this when I come back, and particularly in the run up to the festive season as well, just making it nice and dressy. So Blue Lagoon, travelling home, that's it. My wardrobe complete for my little Iceland planning trip.